I got the handles put on the saw blade knives. This is the little skinner. So Tiger Stripe bamboo again. I didn't put no pins in them because I nailed them and even tried to drill them with the drill press with my little drill, and it wanted to walk on me. So I just glued the handles on. I mean, they're on there real good. They ain't gonna come off. I put Gorilla Glue and let them set for about 24 hours with like 3 C-clamps on each one in different areas. I did like a chisel grind on this one. I don't know if you can see it. So there it is on this side. See? I did that where for like skinning you could put the flat side of the knife closer to the meat and skin better. Then if you got a double bevel, you got to kind of hold it off the skin. And this thing's razor sharp. It goes through cardboard like it ain't nothing. Paper. It'll pop ears. Let me know what y'all think about that one. If anybody's interested in this one, I'll do $40 with a sheath, ship, or best offer. I really need to get some new belts. That's why I went so low on it. Let me know what y'all think about that one. Yeah, and this is the little one. Sorry about the shaking hand shaking. It's kind of cold out here in Florida today. It's Tiger Stripe bamboo too. The lines kind of disappeared on me again when I sanded it. The black part. Neat little knife. Like a little neck knife or neat little thing. I did a double Scandi grind on it. Just did a Scandi grind for a real steep angle. This thing goes to cardboard like it ain't nothing too. Put a small swedge on it. Real aggressive jimping. I got to do a little more sanding. It got dark on me before I could finish it all the way. Let me know what y'all think.